Good day and welcome back. This is Genesis Alejandro Arcoletti, and today I'm about to discuss forest ecosystem as a requirement for the subject PRM 565 Science and Technology and Environmental Management. So sit back, relax, and listen carefully. The community of plants, animals, microorganisms, and all species in interaction with chemical and physical aspect of their surroundings is described as forest ecosystem. A forest, in other terms, is a terrestrial habitat dominated by trees growing in a closed canopy. The species that make up forest ecosystem definition are interdependent on another for existence and can be generically classed as producers, consumers, or decomposers based on their ecological rules. What types of ecosystem have been changed? Virtually, all of Earth's ecosystem had been significantly transformed through human actions. In the second half of the 20th century, ecosystem changed more rapidly at any other time in recorded human history. Some of the most significant changes have been conversion of forest and grasslands into croplands, and the conversion of storage of fresh water behind dams, and loss of mangroves and coral reef areas. So what is the impact of technology on the environment? The Industrial Revolution resulted as a plenty of new technology with enormous potentials. Between 1760 and 1840, Europe and United States underwent a transition to a new manufacturing processes. This had been followed by continued industrialization and technical breakthroughs in industrialized countries around the world. So, with the environment consequences of this technology, including the exploitation and destruction of our natural environment. Air and water pollution. When dangerous or excessive amount of gases such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitric oxide, and methane are injected into Earth's atmosphere, it is known as air pollution. The main source all deal with technology that came after the Industrial Revolution, such as fossil fuel combustion, factories, power plant, mass agriculture, and automobiles. Air pollution has detrimental health effects on humans and animals, as well as contributing to global warming, as rising levels of greenhouse gases that traps thermal energy in Earth's atmospheres, causing the global temperature to rise. Water pollution, on the other hand, is the contamination of bodies' water such as lakes, rivers, oceans, and groundwater, typically as a result of human activity. Domestic trash, industrial effluent, and insecticides and pesticides are among the most frequent water contaminants. One specific example is the discharge of untreated wastewater into natural bodies, which can degrade aquatic ecosystem. Other negative consequences including infections like typhoids and cholera, eutrophication, and degradation of ecosystem, of all which have a severe impact on the food chain. Depletion of natural resources. Another detrimental consequence of technology on the environment is resource depletion. It denotes the use of resource quicker than it can be supplied. Natural resources are those that exist without being developed by humans, and they can be renewable or non-renewable. The most severe type of resource depletion are aquifer depletion, deforestation, mining for fossil fuels and minerals, resource contamination, soil erosion, and resource overconsumption. These most caused by agriculture, mining, water use, and the use of fossil fuels, and all have been made possible by technological improvements. Natural resources deterioration is increasing as the world's population grows. As a result, the world's eco-footprint is estimated to be 1.5 times the Earth's potential to sustainably provide each individual with enough resources to meet their consumption levels. Large-scale minerals and oil exploration have increased since Industrial Revolution, causing natural oil and mineral depletion, With technological development, industrialization, and research exploitation of minerals has been grown easier, and humans are consequently digging deeper to get more and more, resulting in a drop in production of many resources. Environmental technology. Due to the adverse effect of technology on the environment, a recent increase in global concerns about climate change has led to the development of new environmental technology that aims at assisting at the resolution of the most present environmental issues that we face in the society through a shift towards a more sustainable and low-carbon economy. Environmental technology, sometimes known as green or clean technology, that refers the creation of new technologies with the goal of conserving, monitoring, or reducing the negative impact of technology on the environment and resource usage. Renewable energy. Renewable energy, sometimes known as clean energy. It is energy derived from natural replenished renewable resources such as sunshines, winds, rains, tides, waves, and geothermal heat. Through devices such as solar panels, wind turbines, and water turbines, modern environmental technology has enabled us to harness this natural occurring energy and convert it into power or useful heat, demonstrating a profoundly positive impact of technology on the environment. Smart technology. Smart home technology employs devices such as linking sensors and other appliances linked to the Internet of Things that can be remotely monitored and controlled to be as energy efficient as possible while also responding to the demands of the users. Intelligent lighting system, for example, only illuminates areas that requires it, and a smart thermostat keeps home at a specific temperature at a specific time of day and saving waste. Electric vehicles. Electric vehicles have a beneficial environmental impact since they do not emit carbon dioxide, which contributes to the so-called greenhouse effect and causes global warming. They are also cleaner and less damaging to human health, animals, plants, and water because they do not contribute harm to air pollution. Direct air capture, an environmental technology removing carbon from the atmosphere. The method of capturing carbon dioxide directly from the ambient air and generating a concentrated stream of carbon dioxide for sequestration is known as direct air capture. Many big fans then drive air through a filter which removes carbon dioxide. This technology may be used to regulate pollutants from scattered resources such as automobiles' exhaust fumes. The carbon absorbed by full-scale direct air capture and activities is equivalent to annual emission of 250,000 of ordinary automobiles. So that's all. That's the end of our discussion. Hope you learned something that is beneficial to our environment. So thank you and goodbye!